Good morning children, I hope class 7 children are watching this video and I hope you must be keeping well. As we have been doing exponents and in last class we had seen exercise 5a. In this class we are going to see expressing large numbers in standard form, exercise 5b, and we will see square root. So let's see quickly. Here you have expressing large numbers in standard form, and this is very important. Not only for solving questions, even for everyday use also that is used. If a number is required to be represented in scientific way, in this way this is required to be represented, and even for exam also this is important. Here you see a given number is said to be in standard form if it can be expressed as k into 10 to the power n, where k is a real number such that k is in between 1 to 10 and n is a positive integer. Here you see why it has been written k should be in between 1 and 10, because 0 it cannot be, and if more than 10 it would be there, that can be converted into exponents. That's why this has been written 10. So here you see, so easy it is how it is required to be solved. Just you see, suppose you have 2, 7, 0, 6, 5, 9. This is required to be represented in standard form. What is needed to be done? Just after one digit we need to put decimal. So just you put decimal, here we will put 2.70659. Now after just one digit we have put decimal, then you count your digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is required to be multiplied by 10 to the power 5. So in this way this is required to be represented. Suppose very small example I am giving you. Suppose you have 15 and this is required to be represented in standard form in this way. How it will be represented? Here you see, this can be written as 1.5 into 10 or 10 to the power 1. How it happened? Just you see. Here you have suppose 15, this has been divided by 10 and has been multiplied by 10. It means what? 10 and 10 will be cancelled. You have multiplied 15 by 1. So here you see, for this, if you know how to convert numbers into decimal, suppose in division you have 1 0, then we need to put just after one digit decimal like this. 1.5 you have made with this 10, and this 10 is required to be written over here 10 to the power 1. So this is small example. In the same way this has been converted. So you can think as it has been solved, like that also you can put the value and you can do, or simply for solving question you need to remember just after one digit you need to put decimal, and after decimal how many digits are there that you count, that will be in exponent. So that will be this number into 10 to the power 5, because 5 digits you have. Here you see 6.83. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is not required to be written also. If after some digits you have all zeros, then these zeros are not required to be written. So 6.83 into 10 to the power, how many digits you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here you will be having 9. 6.83 into 10 to the power 9. So easy it is. So in this way this is required to be done. I hope you understood. One example you have here, you see, speed of light in vacuum is this much meter per second, expressed in standard form. So here you see this number has been given, you need to express in standard form, and this you need to remember also. Speed of light in vacuum is what? 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. How it will be converted, you see. We will put 3.0 and then into 10 to the power. How many zeros are there or how many digits are there just after one digit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this will be 8. So 3.0 into 10 to the power 8 you write, or simply you write 3 into 10 to the power 8, and this will be your answer. Now examples 24 you have write each of the following numbers in usual form. So when you write in usual form, just opposite to these questions how we have done, the same thing is required to be done. Suppose if you have 3 into 10 to the power 8, this is required to be written in usual form. What we will do? 3 into 1. How many zeros will be required to be put? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So finally you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This much zeros. So this will be your answer. So in the same way this is required to be done. Suppose you have 6.28. So here you write 6 to 8. Now here you see you have 6 digit you need to have, or 6 zeros you need to have, but already 2 digits you have after decimal. So altogether 6 it should be. So already after decimal you have 2. So how many more zeros will be required? 4 zeros will be required. 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to count after decimal how many digits are there. That is required to be subtracted from this exponent. Means 2 digits you have. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So 4 zeros will be required to be written. Here you see this one 9.2 into 10 to the power 3. 9.2. So 92 we have written. Now here exponent you have 3 and here you have 1 digit. Means 3 minus 1 will be 2. So 2 zeros will be required. In this way this is required to be done. Then you have numbers in expanded form. When we expand the numbers, how it is to be written? This you know. Number chart, this place value chart is there. Here you have, suppose your number is 86043872. This is one's digit number. Here you will see one's digit number 2, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. This is place value chart. So here you see, here you have 10 to the power 0. 10 to the power 0 means 1. Means 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Here you have 10 to the power 1 means 10. 7 into 10 is equal to 70. Place value of 7 over here you have 70. 3, 10 to the power 2. 100 place is there. So this will be 100 means 372 here. 300 you have. So this you, I think you know. 300 it is. This is 4,000. This is lakh, 0 lakh. This is 10 lakh means 60 lakh. And this is 8. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh, and this is 10 lakh. This is 6 is lakh, and this is 10 lakh. This is 10,000. 1000 into 0. So when you are expressing this, so easy it is when you are writing it in standard form. So just you write first number, suppose 8 we have written, then into 10 to the power. After this digit you count how many digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 to the power 6 it will be. Or in this way, place value chart you prepare, and then you see this is in 10 lakh place, 8 is in 10 lakh place, so it should be multiplied with 10 to the power 6. 6 is in lakh place, so this should be multiplied with 10 to the power 5. Or simply in this way you write down plus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are there, 10 to the power 5. Then you have 0 plus 0 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros are there, 4 digits are there, so 4 it will be. So in this way this has been written and you need to write down. Then you have exercise 5B. Express each of the following numbers in standard form. So easy it is. Just now I have explained. I hope you will be able to do. One question I am solving for you. Suppose this is required to be represented or expressed in standard form. So just you write 6.42a and these zeros are not required to be written. Into 10 to the power, after 6 you have put decimal, you count digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6.4 to 8 into 10 to the power 6. In this way, all the questions are required to be solved. Express each of the following numbers in standard form. In the same way, this is also required to be done. Just you see, after 1 you put decimal, then you count digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it should be multiplied with 10 to the power 7. And here you have remaining digits 2, 7, 5 and 6. These zeros are not required to be written. So this will be your answer. Then in the same way, these questions are required to be solved. I hope you will be able to do. Then you have write the following numbers in expanded form. So again, just now I have explained how it to be written in standard form, expanded form. So here you see 6 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 8 into 10 to the power 4 plus 4 into 10 to the power 3 plus 5 into 10 to the power 2 plus 0 into 10 to the power 1 plus 2 into 10 to the power 0, and this will be your answer. Here you see question number 4, write the numerals whose expanded form is given below. Just opposite to it you need to write down. Here you see 6 and how many zeros are there? 4 means 4 zeros are there. 10 to the power 4 you have. So just you write 6, or it will be better you start writing from ones digit. So ones digit you have 8, tens digit you have 7, then this 100 digit you have 0, and then you have 3, and then you have 6. So 63,078 you have. 63,078. So in this way, this is required to be done. I hope you will be able to solve each and every question, and you will complete this exercise. Then we have square root. The square root of a given number is that number whose square is the given number. Just you see, the square root of a given number is that number whose square is the given number. The square root of a number a is denoted by root a. The square root of a number a is denoted by root a. In exponential form, root a is written as a to the power 1 by 2. So suppose here what has been written, you try to understand. The square root of a given number, the square root of a given number is that number whose square is the given number. It means suppose square root of a is equal to the square root of a given number is that number whose square is the given number. Suppose this will be equal to what? Root a square of this, you will get a. Means square of square root of the given number is equal to the whose square is the given number, means square root of the given number, square root of a, and then you are squaring it, then you will get the given number a. This root a can be written as a to the power 1 by 2. This you need to remember. So if any number you have, suppose square root 2, that will be written as 2 to the power 1 by 2. This you need to know. Examples have been given. 2 into 2 is equal to 4, and square root of 4 is equal to square root of 2 into 2, it means 2. In the same way, 5 into 5 can be written as 25, and square root of 25 is equal to 5. In order to find root a, express a as product of primes. Take the product of all primes, choosing one out of every pair. Suppose if any number has been given, suppose we are taking 225. What we need to do? We need to find out the factors, prime factors of 225. So this will be 5 4j 20 and 5j 25. 5 9j 5 9j 45 and 3 3j 9. Now if suppose if you need to find out the square root of 225, what we will do? We will write the prime factors 3 into 3. Now pairs we will take out. So this one pair we had of 5 and the other pair we had of 3. The product of this will be your answer. So root under 225 will be equal to 15. It means 15. If you are squaring this number 15, you will get 225. So any other examples also can be taken again. Here you see 196 also has been given. Just if I write this, you will get these. And pairs you are getting 2 7. So 2 7 is 14. So 14 you have got. Root under 196 is equal to 14. It also means if you are squaring 14, you will get 196. The same thing has been written over here. So in this way we have completed this exercise, and not only this exercise, even this chapter also, because exercise 5C what has been given, these all are objective questions and these all are from the same exercise, previous exercises whatever we have completed. So just you try to do, and you must do, each and every question must be there in your notebook. And next day we will see next topic, next chapter, and till then, thank you.